B stands for brokerage firm. B stands for brokerage firm. So what is a brokerage firm? The brokerage firm is the company that buys stocks on your behalf that you're looking to trade on the stock market. Now, the other question that you might have naturally after that is, why do we need a brokerage firm? Think of a brokerage firm as an online department store where it has different brands that you can purchase from depending on your taste and your interest. The brokerage firm, aka the online department store in this analogy, goes and buys inventory of these different brands that you might be interested in buying. They buy them wholesale and then sell them back to you at market price. But now if there's different brokerage firms, aka online department stores, your natural question after that would be, well, which one do I shop at? Are they all the same? What's the difference? In a follow-up to this video, I'll go more in depth because that's a very, very deep conversation. But long story short, here's the deal. As with any department store in real life, you have the ones that sell the outdated, out-of-season versions of brand labels. And then you have the ones that always have the latest in-season styles available to buy. This analogy refers to how brokerage firms present the latest information to you about the different companies you might be interested in investing in. When it comes to making money on the stock market, you want the brokerage firm that has immediate access to the most valuable information on a company before that information goes out of style.